Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good night, good night.
Hi guys.
Wow, go on. Yeah guys, so we're out here in the night, yeah. I gotta look some food for eat. You see me? So yeah man, we just check into our Airbnb and things, so yeah. Pick up over there. Say hi. Yeah man, so this is Brisbane Nightlife. Well, we don't know how long we're gonna be out for, but let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Brisbane, look, you got this walk through.
Yeah.
Like families come.
Yeah.
Bike riding, exercising.
It's beautiful, man.
Just come and walk through. That is like Brisbane.
Yeah.
I would recommend anyone to go coming out.
Yeah, it's nice.
Sydney, yeah, Sydney's good for like, I think the younger young generation, like your 18, 20, 21-year-olds.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it's nice. Because guys, I remember this bridge from Babe doing quarantine at a hotel cross over here. Yeah. Is it the one with the W? Or?
No, it was next to the quay, that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and she was showing me this bridge. And I believe you also show it from a vlog too, if I'm correct. Yeah, so the bridge lights up, it changes colors and all that. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's amazing. That building has 2022 on it. And look at the beautiful moon out. Wicked. Babe quarantine year. Which year was that? I'm trying to remember.
2021.
2021. I'm lost with time and days.
February 2021.
Yeah.
I quarantined here.
Yeah. And I quarantined in
It was supposed
Sydney.
to be 14 days. They ended up giving me 19 days.
Yeah, because
two people on my flight had the Russian strain.
yeah.
So that's history, guys.
I tell you, man.
History for Ireland too. You
True,
know,
true.
Ireland would have. Jesus.
They're going on.
That's really far.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is a better close-up of the bridge. As you can see, it's blue and it can change into any color at all. Yeah. That's amazing. I like these things, babe. Like, it's just to get to see, as I said when we were in Sydney, just to see how things are different. You know, coming here, it's just an eye-opener. You see it. It's just a different world.
Yeah.
Some simple little things that probably the people here would be like, oh, it's nothing, but it amazes me to see, you know, the beauty. Yeah. Yeah. Little Bobo. Hey, Bobo.
Yeah. Yeah. A war, exactly.
He's talking a lot, guys. His words are slowly coming out
There is the
better and better. So this is how the light looks, guys. It just reflects on the bridge, give that glow look. So there you go, guys, a better view of the Ferris wheel. Lights up in the night, super beautiful.
That we were able to get something.
Alright guys, so we just had our food. So yeah, it's nice here.
Turkish restaurant, babe. Look.
Oh,
For
Turkish.
those who like Turkish food.
Yeah. Yeah,
Babe's
man.
never tried Turkish food.
Nah, never.
Never ever.
What I tried was the kebab. Was that which country is that from again?
Turkish.
Oh, it's
So that's that, yeah.
oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, so it's nice. You have like it's like a is it this the marketplace you
this
talk
is-
about?
Not this is the marketplace, but they tend to have like markets on every Friday, Saturday,
Okay.
till late.
Oh,
And they
nice.
sell like stones, guys. They sell like beautiful,
Yeah.
Oh, even dice.
Nice stuff.
nice stuff.
Something like the light in there. Yeah. Yeah, and it goes all the way down that stretch, guys.
Yeah.
You have these markets on the left and the restaurants on the right.
Right.
Yeah, so it's nice. Heaps of people out eating food, shopping, walking around.
Nice kind of mark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and it's like really it's quite tropical, right?
Yeah,
there, would you
yeah,
say?
yeah. It's definitely tropical. Yeah, can tell. You can
And
feel and see it.
winter's not too bad.
Yeah,
It does get cold, but because I've been here in winter,
yeah.
but
It's not as
too
bad?
No,
Wow.
not at all.
Okay.
Not as bad as you think. No. Oh, so you got like all the flags.
Oh, wow. I see Jamaica. The first thing I spot, guys. Guys, I see my flag. Like the first thing I spot out of everything.
So what you do is you buy like a jumper or a jacket and you get them.
Yeah, and there's babe flag as well.
There's my flag going.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you, like they got a whole heap of stuff.
Yeah,
You sew them onto like bags,
Yeah,
shirts,
yeah.
jumpers.
that's
that kind
amazing,
of
man.
stuff. Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, pretty earrings, guys. All the ladies are like earrings.
Ah,
Yeah, he's closing now.
yeah.
And so yeah, you go walk down this. Oh wow.
Got these phone case. They're made out of like wood. Is it?
Handcrafted.
Yeah. That's sick.
Oh, lovely crystals and such.
Yeah.
Right.
It's nice. Wow.
Paintings. Wow.
That's
Oh, look at the
beautiful.
Rasta lion.
Oh yeah. Nice.
I asked, I think one year how much that was, and I think it's like 500.
Oh wow.
I think.
Yeah.
This is the guy here.
That's nice. I would say it's worth it. It looks really good. Yeah.
They got masks too, babe.
Oh yeah.
The lion one. Nice.
They have even the lion mask, guys. That's amazing. That's wicked. Yeah, in the streets, nightlife.
Okay, so this used to be an Argentinian grill.
This right
Down
here.
the corner. Yeah, this was a few years ago though.
Okay.
Used to be an Argentinian asado and all that sort of stuff, but I don't know, for some reason they closed down business.
Oh.
So I don't know what happened.
Okay.
We can't really talk about it because I don't know.
Yeah, true.
I think they moved though. They could have moved. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Could have been down there, but well, we'll continue the market.
Yeah, that's like this goes to the waterfront still.
Close to the water where we had a swim today.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh wow, you can bring your dog to the restaurant? No idea.
There's an African guy over there too.
Where?
There's an African guy sitting over there. Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's sick. Alrighty, guys. So we our food basically 15 minutes waiting time on our food because we doing takeaway, guys. So
Yeah, because I told the lady that we know for a fact that Island won't sit there.
yeah,
Island won't sit there and be like
yeah,
waiting
it's
for food.
he had a long day.
Yeah, just best if we just take it home and eat it.
Yeah, so it was
Just easier.
yeah. We had a long day too, all of us.
Yeah, we did. We did.
Yeah.
Oh look, Gnocchi Brothers. That's another Italian.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, when my mum comes, this is for my channel, I should say. When my mum comes, with a lot of people were saying about my channel, like to make more like Italian and pastas and things. So mum knows how to make the best gnocchi, but I always kind of fail on doing them. So I'm gonna get her to show me so I can be perfect, and then I
Yeah.
can show all you guys how to do it.
True.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, yeah, it's a long walk. Heaps of people down that way still. Yeah. Some nice ones, eh? So it's kind of similar to like Jamaica, where they would build stuff, handcraft some of the stuff.
Yeah, handmade.
Yeah, and kind of like sell to tourists and all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got some beautiful Lebanese restaurant there, guys, if you like Lebanese food. But
What, this one?
No. That one I don't even know what that is.
Oh, okay.
Advertising. So that one there is Lebanese food.
Oh yeah. Alright. Sir, the lighting is so perfect.
Perfect.
Like just look how dark it is, and it's like still like giving. Sometimes too bright. It's like exposed to the light too much.
Ooh, dresses here, guys. Oh,
Yeah.
that's like mine, but I'm wearing that.
Some nice stuff here, guys.
Lovely. I love that restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's summer, so everyone tries to wear like floral dresses. And then you've got food. Oh, churros.
Churros.
Nice.
What is that, Italian?
We had that the other day, the long sticks with chocolate.
Oh.
At the chocolate place.
Oh yeah, that was.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Alright, guys. So we just got our takeaway. Spaghetti, pasta, right?
Pasta.
Yeah. So we're heading home, guys. Yeah. Just like have a chill night, watch some vlogs or a movie. Yeah, and enjoy the night. So.
Yeah, because tomorrow probably go down to the Gold Coast and have a swim at the beach before we make our way back home.
Yeah, man.
Because we only came out for one night, guys.
True. Alright, so yeah, guys, we'll say good night for now.
Good night for now.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you
In the
next
morning.
one. In the morning.
Yeah, it's gonna be a to be continued, but yeah, catch you whenever the next vlog
Yes.
drop. Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, man. Bless up, guys. Wow, guys.
They've graffitied it already.
Yeah, Brisbane, the city of Brisbane, guys. It's beautiful. And then you have the performing arts gallery over there as well.